Very good morning to class 7 student. Class 7 student, my name is Sunil. This one is a computer period. Now today we are going to do the revision work of chapter. Now more on MS Windows 10. We know that Windows 10 is an operating system. It's an operating system. It is very popular and widely used. The graphic user interface. It's a graphic user interface. Students, I tell you one thing. Basically, we divide into two parts, GUI and CUI. All of you know that GUI means graphic user interface and CUI is character user interface. The example of character user interface are DOS, logo. These are the character user interface because in these applications we don't have a graphic features, and the window is a GUI system, graphic user interface. And the remarkable feature of window 10 make it very easy to use because we get all the things in front of us. Through the pictures we can solve all the problems, and after that we'll move forward to the file explorer. What is file explorer? File explorer means whenever we are sharing the data and the software, opening a file explorer is called file explorer. Through file explorer we can share the data and the softwares from the computer to anyone, right? File explorer is the file management application in Windows 10. It is used to explore the folders and subfolders present in the hard disk of the computer. We can view the various folders and files that consist of our data. The File Explorer program are also known as Window Explorer in the earlier version of Windows. Opening a File Explorer can be opened by clicking on its icon present on the taskbar. The icon of it's also present in the menu of the Start button. Working in a File Explorer, quick access. What does it means? Quick access means whenever we get anything in a quick way is called quick access. The quick access area by default is the first section of the navigation pane in the left hand column. You have seen in the left hand column. In fact, it acts as a bookmark for File Explorer. It shows both our most recent access folders and printed folders. Pinned folders are those that are manually assigned to this area to quickly get to from any folder in Windows. We can pin a folder by just right click or long pressing any folder on the screen. Then click on pin to quick access. It means whenever we want a quick access of any folder, we can do this process, pin to quick access. And same manner, if you want to remove the quick access, you can. To remove frequently accessed folder or pinned folder from quick access, right click on the folder, then select remove from quick access. Microsoft Cloud Storage Service. Cloud Storage Service means whenever we are going to store our data in a cloud, whenever we are going to store our data in Google, is called Cloud Storage Service. OneDrive is permanently folder breathe, a quick access area. Other folder of our computer are available in a tree view below OneDrive, which can be directly accessed. Ribbon interface. Ribbon interface means the ribbon is situated at the top of the File Explorer. It contains the file menu and three tabs: Home, Share and View. These type of tabs are available through which we get the help. If we want to do any type of work on that, we can do through the options over there. In a Home tab, this tab, the common field Common file management option like cut, copy, paste, delete, new folders, etc. And all things are there. And share tab whenever we are going to send a file or a folder to somebody else, they are called sharing tabs. Like this tab provide the option of sharing our files and folder using different options like email, print, fax, and burn to disk. So this one is called sharing a tab. Share tab. Then view tab. View tab means this tab help us to view the file and folders as per our convenience. We can view our file or folders, an extra large, medium, small icon list, title, tiles, etc. We can also display the details of file folders. There is also option of item check box there where we can check box with the icon of the file and folders to denote if they are selected or not. The file name extension can also be displayed. The extension means through extension we can find it out this file is made in which application, right? So the extensions are take very important role in computer applications. Here are some shortcut keys also. You have to learn these shortcut keys because maybe these shortcut keys come in your examination. So the shortcut keys are like Alt plus H to navigate to Home tab, Alt plus S to navigate to Share tab, Alt plus V to navigate to View tab, right? So these are the shortcut keys, Alt plus the alphabet. Changing view of file and folders. Changing view, if you want to change a view of file and folders, we can. We can change the view of the file and folders through this option. If you want to do some modification on that file and folders, we can do it through this application, changing view of file and folders. How can we do that? This one is the process through we can change the view of file and folders. Let us read this. If we change the view settings or customize a folder, window remembers our settings when we open the folder again. We can see several icons under layout group of view tab. Let us discuss these in details. Now we are going to discuss in through these extra large, medium, small icons. If we want to do some changes on file and folders. When either of these options is selected, the file and folder display as icon depending on size selected. It's depend on us. If we want to do some changes on the size, we can do the changes on size like large icons, extra large icons, medium icons, and small icons. We have to just select the folders and click on that particular option, extra large icons, medium icons, and small icons. Then automatically what had happened, the icons automatically get changed in their size. Now moving forward to the list option. What is list? All of you know that because some of the time you have made the list in your class as well, right? List view display the files and folders as a list preceded by small icons. This is help if the files and folders are in a large number. Large number means whenever you have so many folders or so many files in your data, what you have to do, you have to make a list view, display the file and folders as a list preceded by small icons. Content, this view display the files and folders in a list format with extra details about each file and folder like the date and time, when was the last modified, type of file, and the size of the file. Content means if you want, whenever you have done some modifications in that particular file, automatically it changes the date of the modification. and the which type of folder it is, right? So you get all the information below the content. Now moving forward, details. The next one is details. This view display each file folder in a distinct row with details like the author of the file. Author of the file means name of the computer where the file folder was created, date and time when it was last modified, type of files and the size of the file. Modified means if you want to do some small changes on the file, whenever you have done, automatically computer take that particular time and date of that particular movement. So it that one is called the last modified date, date and time. So these are the details. Whenever you are going to click on details, automatically it shows you. Then tiles. This view display file folders as icons. Tiles are going, the role of tile is what? This view display file and folders as icon. In this view, the icon are large than icon in list display view. Sorted by, whenever we are whenever we are going to make so many files, too much files in a computer system, what we are going to, if we want to arrange them, we can arrange those files through sorted by. We have only two options in a sorted by option. One is ascending order and the another one is descending order. We have to sort our files in two ways, ascending or descending. So let us read this paragraph also. This button on the view tab helps to arrange the files or folders in various options. The folders are displayed as per the selection made in the menu by sorted by the folder can be displayed in ascending or descending order.